Ailele nyesda doi kitu ngaludo Karamoja akalon Etegear Adukio na Karamoja Peace and Technology University. University lo nyesde jaka Adukio kino chalongo lo silang Otem North Division Notomano Kotido Municipality.
Peace University will make a big contribution. But the other important thing about this university is that it's going to increase access.
But having a university at the heart of the region will help not only a distance, but also help more other children of the land to go to school and be able to study.
Distance, the fees, is some of the things that are hindering people from accessing education. So the coming or the establishment of such a university now will help us actually solve some of these challenges.
The district is blessed to have two universities. The former primary teachers college of Kotido has been taken over by Gulu University.
And now, the level of people who know IT, there are many people who know less about technology. And that's why you see that there is a lot of insecurity in Karamoja, just because of some few things that is taking place. People are not educated. But I really feel that if I am to do that course, there are many people that are going to be educated through IT, through social media platform, and they will see a way of changing lives in Karamoja.
For example, there are some parents of ours here in Karamoja who fail to raise money for us to move far away. So we end up like after Form 6 you marry, after Form 6 you just remain an asila.
Idengare no kesde baka sebe erai kwa ne university law abongo kinete anudi chaniluda lemejasi Karamoja.
Conducive environment for transport, communication, economic development requires peace and security. And nobody has paid attention to investigate why all this cycle and recycling of conflict. I am sure this university will answer that question. But the university will do research, investigate, and they will tell us. They will also make proposals on how we can make peace sustainable.
For today, lipata puganai gange university lo tetere pedo ridwe ikeche kere apedo radum na shumani nada itekoro.
As a region, that the government support this university totally in terms of resources, in terms of infrastructure. The government need to support this university because this is now a wall of Karamoja that will be used as a pillar of university in the region.
Now, many families cannot afford to take back their kids to school. So we have an issue of dropouts. And we have made this proposal even to the Education Policy Review Commission that as a region, we want compulsory free boarding education for Karamoja, all the way from primary up to the university.
That is the only way for us to break this cycle of Oriawood.
Ida ya itokolude university kalo keza poti kia utebe yanga untoski se somerolo no da itopolora ipuchu nepeka polom kakiro Etatai otomano Karamoja.
So once Karamoja has peace, the next thing that Karamoja needs is the technology, the skill. So we combine the two concepts of peace and technology university. Yeah? And we're very grateful that the Bishop, Right Reverend Dominic Ebu, welcomed this idea and actually offered us this land where we are at Roselang, that we can put our campus here and create a new space to do research, to do thinking.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Kotido.